I'm Avery. And I'm Sophie. And we're showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies today.
Our first step is to combine our flour, salt, and baking soda in a bowl.
Our eggs are at room temperature. So now we are ready to crack them. 1, 2, 3.
Our next step is to put the butter into the bowl of a mixer. Note the butter has been softened. And vanilla extract, brown sugar, and the granulated sugar.
Now we're gonna beat it. Beat it! Now we add the eggs, one at a time. Now we add the dry mixture.
Just a little bit at a time. A little more. You can use your fingers to help get it in there if you need to. You can put more than that. Get it in. You want to do some?
Don't do all of it. Just do a little. Yeah, that's good. Then, oh, it's getting doughy. You can put more now. I was gonna put in all of it. Now we're putting our cookies on the baking sheet. One spoon at a time. Off to the oven we go.
Good job, girls. Close it up. Now let's set the timer for 9 minutes, and that's when we'll start to check them.
Okay. They're done to do, they're done to do, they're done to do, they're done. Run away to run away to run away to We have cookies, so good. Cheers. Delicious. Chocolate.